So, which match did we watch right now?
It was today an amazing low-scoring match between Kolkata and Rajasthan. It was really good to watch both of the teams, and Kolkata was 0 on the bottom of the table, and we have brought some relief to them. And
What do you mean by we?
so our blessings, they won the first match.
What do you mean by we?
The supporters. We mean the trio.
Yeah.
Because for the first time in our entire history of friendship, me and Steven were supporting the same cause.
For the first time, and I didn't get an enemy to fight with. Let's talk about the technical things in the match today. So, what was the highlight of the match today?
So the highlight was like it is partnerships which make the match, and yeah, that was my highlight.
Partnerships. So, any specific mention of which
Yeah,
partnership you're talking about?
First, small partnerships like Cameron Green did amazingly well with this Ramandeep, Raghuvanshi, who was playing like a test match and finally got out, thankfully. And then a partnership between Roman Powell and this.
You forgot the player.
Yeah, I forgot a player. And then the big partnership between last winning partnership between this Anukul and Rinku Singh. Yeah.
Rinku Singh. So when you said about partnership, so I was just thinking that you were going to talk about the third partnership, Rinku Singh. He for me was the highlight of the match, and also someone whom I had complete trust on. So every time I wear this bandana of KKR, I knew that KKR would win if he stays there till the last ball, right? Shafi?
Yeah, but you changed your support midway.
I never changed my
You were
support.
supporting
I never
Rajasthan-
changed
you
my
were
support.
supporting Rajasthan in
I was
in the
Firoz.
beginning.
I never changed my support. I
You
was
did, you-
ferociously supporting KKR, and every time I see my other friends who were all in Rajasthan ki jersey, I didn't hesitate to tease them every time a boundary was scored by a KKR player, right? Okay, let's. What was the shot that we'll go back with today? A shot that really clicked you.
I think on TVs we watch too many shots being played by these big men and big players, but I felt one shot from Shasri Jaiswal, and he hit like it, he scooped the shot.
Yeah.
It was a beautiful shot. So that's one beautiful shot that I watched.
Basically, all of Rinku Singh's boundaries in the last 3 quarters.
That was impactful.
Yeah.
For me, the shot that Riyaz is talking about, where he tried to scoop it on the leg side, but the ball was outside off and he tried to scoop it. I mean, like he just changed at the last minute, improvising it, and ball going just behind the wicket keeper. So that one. The second one was a 4 which was scored by the wicket keeper. What's the name? Dhruv Jurel, yeah. So a ball at this height, and he pulled it. And when he pulled it, it was just to the ground. It was not on air. So I really got a very good angle of that shot. Pay attention here, you are on a vlog. Huh? So I loved that shot because the angle that I got, it really felt as if I was watching on TV. So that's the second shot for me. Suryavanshi, like he did have an impact, but I was not very
Much impressed.
Yeah, I think he has very high standards. But yeah, the opening partnership of Rajasthan Royals, it really made me feel that they're going to score somewhere between like 180 to 200. So their middle order really did it disappoint you?
Yeah, obviously they disappointed completely because they were like the opening partnership and the opening bowling as well of Rajasthan are really very strong, and like we were guessing 200 in the beginning of the match. Yeah.
Amazing. It also felt very good. I mean, like I really felt very special to be able to watch Ravindra Jadeja in action today. I mean, like he didn't have a great impact today. Just some good amount of bowling. But just the fact that there is no other all-rounder in Test cricket better than him in the world today. So it really felt special watching him. I'll take a pause and
I think one important like learning for me as compared to the last international match that I watched is that in the IPL match we lose the legendary limelight of international players, and it like their aura gets lost in this IPL buzz where we expect everyone to hit sixes and hit wickets. So that is one of the learning and a great difference between an IPL match and an international match.
Yeah, in fact, if I compare it with the match that we saw, I felt the standards of fielding was much better than what I saw in that match. Scotland might be like an associate country, underrated and truly underrated. As in like they really are not, they were not up to mark on that day.
They don't have those standards yet.
So just feeling that the gap between an IPL team and an international associate team is too huge. It's too huge.
Exactly. Yeah, I completely agree because they are the best players like around the globe. So especially the international players. Yeah, that is the difference here.
Shafkat, you want to say something?
The game today.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it. That's all.
He just enjoyed it. I was forcing this person to use the झंडा that we got. इसको अच्छे से use करो. वहाँ पे वो बोले जा रहे हैं take the like flags up. ये बंदा मत सोया हुआ है. आओ ना, कहाँ भाग रहे हो? आओ. Okay. What was your highlight for today?
Like I said, the ring.
बोलो.
Like I said, the Rinku Singh knock,
हाँ.
but throughout the game, that was just absolutely terrific. That's it.
Rinku Singh's knock.
Yes.
And are you really happy today?
Yes, I am.
you
The
said you will be.
result doesn't matter. The game should be entertaining, and that is what it happened today.
अयो डीप बातें कह के चला गया यार, ये डीप बातें कह के चला गया. But do you want to say something about the match today? What was your highlight?
The highlight of the match was a drop of the catch of Rinku Singh. That costed the match.
You can check the uniform.
Yeah. So they were on the losing side today. Anyways, highlight for you.
Yeah, so it the same, like for a very long time it was like pretty on the side of RR. We anticipated KKR will not be able to like win their first match in their home ground, but somehow the catch that was dropped for Rinku Singh led to their victory. So yeah.
And do you think like there was a jinx today who really costed Rajasthan the match?
Yes, actually the thing is we were like whenever we were watching from our home, right? RR was winning.
Okay.
But the moment we decided to come here to watch the match, and my very good friend also thought he should watch the match, this fellow is the cause for RR's loss.
Also, Bhaiya, a question for you. A question for Abhishek Bhaiya. Why were you bringing? Why had you brought two specs?
Okay. One is for the sun, another is for my vision.
No,
That's a lie. That's a lie.
No.
Say what the truth is.
One is if you won,
Okay.
he was going to wear it.
Okay.
And then when it was like falling wickets of Rajasthan, he was hiding the tears behind this spec.
So basically my tear glands shows the wrong way and they're coming out as my sweat.
Okay. And there was plenty of that. So
Yeah.
that's how upset you are. But I'm glad that I'm glad that you shared the responsibility and you didn't alone just tell that your friend was responsible for the loss today.
Yes.
So both of you are equally saturnine.
शनि बना दे रहे हम लोग को देख रहा
Okay.
अब अरुण कहाँ हो गया?
Okay, let's continue with our vlog. So let's talk about
पीछे तो नहीं है ना?
KKR's bowling. Let's talk about KKR's bowling.
I think it's not really good except the spinners. Varun Chakraborty, he really like bowled really well. I think he would be the man of the match.
And
Because he bowled like 4 overs, conceded 14 runs only and took most important 3 wickets in the beginning of the match.
what about Sunil Narayan? Were you anticipating him to come and bat, and like were you waiting for his batting or bowling?
Like I think the opening pair was, fine, and then in like number 3 was not good at all. He like played some 17 or 18 balls and made 12 runs. So he was like a test player. Instead of that, they could have tried to send like Sunil Narine in the beginning. And we have seen him like hitting runs in the beginning. Yeah.
1 minute. Do you think? Let's go there now. So, do you like when we started watching the match, did you feel that it's going to be a spinning wicket today, or if at all the wicket was spinning, and it's
No,
just
like-
like the batsmen were too bad to play even straight balls?
I had seen some analysis of Ian Bishop on CricBuzz. So he had anticipated 200. He had anticipated 200 score. So I was expecting that there would be some power hitting from the batsman, but it was not the case. And in the beginning it felt so, and we were expecting a score of 200, but in the middle overs Kolkata played really bad, and this Rajasthan played really bad, and Kolkata was on track because of Varun Chakrabarti. Yeah, he really spent the ball well, and he was really pitching it on the right line. So that was the impact that he had in the match.
I would have preferred watching at least 2-3 classical shots from Ajinkya Rahane. I was really anticipating, especially the one that he hits over the covers.
Yeah, true.
So I didn't get a chance to see all that, and that was something that I count as a negative. Also the energy. Can you compare the energy with that ICC match, England versus Scotland, and
Yeah, exactly.
today?
The spectators were full of energy. They were buzzing, and the stadium was always like it never felt the play was being stopped for a while. So it was always a busy match.
Absolutely. Like when we watched that ICC match, it really felt that there were times when we felt sleepy, and we were giving the excuse of that sleepiness to the glasses that we were wearing, but it absolutely was not the glasses. It was the boring nature of that match. But today it really, like the DJ and everyone, they really kept the energy high, and also all the people, the Bengalis, like the locals who came to support. The loud cheer at the end of the match when the scoring boundary was hit. How was it?
Yeah, it was really energetic, and it was electric at all. Like the match never slowed down, and I think the reason for it is that they were like other two nations playing the match on that day. Because it was England and Scotland playing. So if it would have been in India playing against England, I think the energy would have been different altogether.
Amazing. I think it really made sense because it was a very well fought match. It was not a one-sided match. Everyone expecting KKR to lose, but they really gave a good competition and in fact won the match. So I really feel it was worth the money coming here and watching the match, and obviously like just the company. It was really amazing to watch that match. So with this I will just close. Say bye.
Fine.
Bye bye.